Sabadi, my name is Sayu and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the lesson 5 and today topic we will talking about a drink ordering which is here on the right board. And actually for the Lao language is very easy and simple technique that you will use to say something like may I have a cup of coffee, may I have a glass of wine, may I have a cappuccino please, something like that. It's very easy in Lao language. Or even you want to have a cup of coffee right here, so that very easy and simple technique that we use to say this kind of thing in the Lao language. So this is the topic that I will teach you today, so let's get started. And for the first sentence is we have, so this is some of the example that I should to teach you today. And I say it's just a few techniques that will help you easily to remember how could we say this kind of sentence in the Lao language. And the first word or the one thing that you have to remember is whenever you want to order something, we will start with the word ao. Ao means take in English. And remember the word nè, N-E-A, nè. This word is mean please in English, but remember the word please actually we have like 2 or 3 words to say peace in the Lao language, but it depends on what is the main point, what is the aim of that word. For example, if you say like please sit down, for this case we will say sơ nang. We will not use this word nè nang, we will not say that, but we will say sơ nang, so please sit down. But in this case nè is also mean please, but what is different? The difference is the word nè is mean like this case is mean like you are request, you are ask for something. That means you ask for a drink, you ask people to give you a drink, right? You ask people to bring you something, so we use nè for the in case this word is mean please in English. So let's say it depends, but I will tell you later in the next episode. So ao means take, as I say. So ao margarita of course is the name of the drink, the alcohol, the hard drink, not the soft drink. And I know that you have this very often in the bar. Okay, ao margarita nè 2 จอก 2 what is mean 2 2 right? So ao margarita แน่ 2 จอก 2 mean 2 จอก J-O-K จอก is mean a cup, right? This จอก อันนี้ man จอก this is a cup or a glass จอก mean cup or mean glass. So 2 จอก mean 2 cup or 2 glass. Okay, so this sentence, so of course it mean เอา margarita แน่ 2 จอก that mean I want to take or I will take 2 glass of margarita. Okay, see, it's very it's simple. So first remember this word when you want to order, when you want to take something, you say เอา. You say that to the waiter, you say that to the waited. When they come to you, they want to take the order from you, and then they will say เอา you will say เอา margarita แน่ 2 จอก. So that's it, and then we will give you 2 glass of margarita. And the next sentence, oh no, this is still the one sentence that I give you. So และ mean and in Lao, in English, sorry. L-E-A, และ is mean and. So in this case you already order 2 glass of margarita, but you come together with 3 people, right? Maybe it's you and 2 of your friends. They don't know how to order a drink in the Lao language, so you are the person who are order for them. Then you will say เอา margarita แน่ 2 จอก และ mean and และ gin tonic of course is a drink also. Gin tonic 1 จอก. So that's mean I want to take 2 glass of margarita and 1 glass of gin tonic. Okay, that's it. See, voila, it's very simple, huh? So here, but remember, when you say the first time you say nè, the second time, this is the second time already, you don't have to say nè after gin tonic again like that. It's fine because just one time you say it, like here เอามาการิต้าแน่2จอกและจินโทนิก2จอก we not say like เอามาการิต้าแน่2จอกและจินโทนิกแน่2จอก I mean like it's okay, it's fine, but when you say already, when you say the word แน่ for like please one time at here at the first time when you order it, so but that's okay, that's fine, or even you want to say in the second time, it's okay, it's fine, but I just tell you why, if you have the question why I don't write it here, because I mean like one time that you say like เอามาการิต้าแน่2จอกและจินโทนิก2จอก that fine for this sentence. Then you will get 2 glass of margarita and 1 glass of gin tonic. That's it, really simple. The next sentence เอา the same thing, take เอาเบียร์เหล้าโกนเอาเบียร์เหล้าโกนแน่2แก้ว 2 bottle. Okay, แก้ว mean a bottle, but we have the different bottle. One is mean a bottle that is made from a glass and a bottle that is made from plastic like this, and it is different. But beer lao, of course, is made from a glass bottle, right? So we say แก้ว in that case. แก้ว okay. So จอก and แก้ว is a classifier of these two drink. Okay, so margarita, of course, when you get into the bar, they serve you for a glass, not for a bottle. Gin tonic, that's right, it's a glass also, it's not a bottle, because you're just, you know, like you get into the bar, you want to a glass of gin tonic, a glass of margarita. It's not a bottle like a beer lao, but beer lao, they are serving, they serve you and they give you for the bottle, not the glass. So that's why I write here is แก้ว เอาเบียร์เหล้าโกนแน่2แก้ว that's it. That means you want 2 bottle of เบียร์เหล้าโกน. See, very easy. The next one is the word ขอ okay, KHOR, ขอ. This word is mean may I have, ค่อยขอ ค่อยเอา ค่อยมี ค่อยเอามาการิต้า ค่อยขอมาการิต้า. Actually, this is they have 2 way to say, and or even more than 2, but I mean like this is very common, and then it's very often used. I mean like เอา is mean take, but ขอ is mean like may. For example, like can I have in English and may I have in English. So take is like I want to take that one, I want to take this one. But when you say ขอ it mean like may I have something, may I have that, may I have this please, something like that. So I mean it doesn't matter, you can use these 2 words like normal. It doesn't matter that เอา is mean not polite, ขอ is mean polite. I mean it's not like that, but you can use both. You can use both of these words. It doesn't matter really. So you can use both, but the more polite you can use the word ขอ. It seems like yeah, it's really polite. ขอมาการิต้าแน่2แก้ว sorry ขอมาการิต้าแน่2จอก ขอเบียร์เหล้าแน่2แก้ว for example like that. So ขอ okay, it means like may I have, ค่อยขอ ขอโคคาโคล่าแน่1ป๋อง ป๋อง PONG. The word ป๋อง mean a can, 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 like a 1 can of Coca-Cola, because a Coca-Cola they contain in the can, not in a bottle, not in a cup. But I mean like the products, that kind of like the products they contain in the can. So that's why I say here 1ป๋อง, that means 1 can. But beer lao, they also have a can and the bottle one, so you can choose. For example, if you want to ask like do you have like a beer can, beer in the can, beer lao in the can but not in the bottle, you can ask like เจ้ามีเบียร์ป๋องบ่ you can say like เจ้ามีเบียร์ป๋องบ่ that means you are asked do you have the like a beer lao in the can not in the big bottle like that so like so this ป๋อง is mean like can one can okay เอาน้ำดื่ม น้ำดื่ม mean drinking water ดื่ม mean drink but also we also say กิน น้ำกิน กิน mean eat and also mean drink but for the food we only say กิน we don't say drink okay so ดื่ม mean drink only mean drink but you can say น้ำกิน or you can say น้ำดื่ม you can say both way for the drinking water เอาน้ำดื่มแน่1ตุก okay that's mean you asking for one bottle one plastic bottle of water because here the word ตุก T-O-U-K ตุก is mean a plastic bottle like a tiger head bottle they are contained in the plastic bottle not like a glass bottle so this word the classifier of this word we say ตุก so 1ตุก mean one bottle okay so here voilà see this is a full classifier of any drink that in this example so you can adapt when you get into the cafe when you get into the restaurant you want to order some drink or anything coffee cappuccino latte espresso something like that and the first thing you have to remember is just say the word เอา and the word แน่ that mean peace without the word แน่ for example if you want to say like เอามาการิต้า2จอกI mean like it's okay it's fine but in the complete way in the correct way don't forget to say the word แน่ that mean peace that is very cute word I think yeah touch me it mean peace in Lao okay so try so and this is a classifier and one more time to pronounce จอก จอก a glass แก้ว a bottle a glass bottle ป๋อง that mean a can ตุก is mean a plastic bottle that's it okay so okay try one more time for the pronunciation let's listen to my pronunciation very carefully and slowly trying to follow me and saying this okay เอามาการิต้า เอามาการิต้าแน่2จอกเอามาการิต้าแน่2จอก one more time เอามาการิต้าแน่2จอกเอามาการิต้าแน่2จอกและจินโทนิก1จอกและจินโทนิก1จอกเอาเบียร์ลาวโก้นแน่2แก้วเอาเบียร์ลาวโก้นแน่2แก้วโอเคขอโคคาโคล่าแน่1ป๋องขอโคคาโคล่าแน่1ป๋องเอาน้ำดื่มแน่1ตุกเอาน้ำดื่มแน่1ตุกเอาน้ำดื่มแน่1ตุกโอเคจอกจอกแก้วแก้วป๋องป๋องตุกตุก1จอก2จอก1แก้ว2แก้ว1ป๋อง2ป๋อง1ตุก2ตุก and also remember one of the last techniques is we always say the number in front of the classifier so number first classifier behind for example like if you want to have 2 glass of beer 2 bottle of beer we will say 2แก้วเอาเบียร์2แก้ว we don't say เอาเบียร์แก้ว2 for example if you say แก้ว first and 2 behind like this is not correct so we always say number first the number first a classifier behind and also here we have like the structure is like a noun, like the name of the thing that you want here first, number, classifier, like subject and the number and the classifier, and that's it. But it's easy. I mean, like it's very simple technique, and you can say it easily. You can try. I mean, like you can cut out the word margarita and put the other thing that you want to order, any kind of drink in that. For example เลยเอาไวน์ขาว mean white wine เอาไวน์ขาวเนี่ย2 จอก okay that means you want 2 glass of white wine. So yeah, see, voila, this is how we can say or how we can order any kind of drink in the Lao language. This is really simple and really easy. I hope you guys will be take time to practice and give some time to listen to my pronunciation and trying to copy as much as you can for the pronunciation. And I hope that one day you will be brave, you will be able to go to the store by yourself or go to the bar and just speak in the Lao language, not the English. Try. I mean, like while you are staying here, while you are living here, you don't have anything to lose. Just practice and just say it and see how it works. And if one day you are successful and you are watching this and then you are successful, please comment down below for your experience in Vientiane. So for this lesson, I will stop it now and we will see you in the next video. And I think for the next video or EP6, we will be talking and discuss about food ordering. How could we order food in the Lao language? So we will see you in the next video and the next episodes. Thanks for watching and please take care of yourself. We will see you soon in the next episode. So bye bye for today. See you later. ขอบใจ